Good morning, everyone. This is Chris from Melotti Media, Copywriting and Marketing Solutions. And yes, the coronavirus, we've heard so much about it, but more importantly is don't stop marketing. We always promote that, but now more than ever is when you should be ramping up your marketing efforts. You'll thank yourself later, I promise. Remember, jump on your social medias and make sure you're promoting great content that provides lots of value. Open up your communication channels, email potential prospects, keep your current customers in the loop and your internal customers, your suppliers. But most importantly, don't forget business etiquette. Remember that it's a tough time for everyone. We all need to be understanding, make sure we're paying invoices on time and keeping, looking after each other because it's a very tough time and it's uncharted territory. But remember, don't stop your marketing. You will thank yourself later. Have a fantastic day and please keep safe.